Today, we at the Bando and we testing chicken for $100. What the fuck? The Bando. These the Bando. These the Bando
Put
right
some
here.
fucking respect on my name.
These some Bando right here. My bad. This the Bando right here. My bad. Hey JJ. Hey JJ right here. These gotta be touched down.
That's when you said it was a bando at first.
Fuck no. They're not the Bando right there. These American Deli. Once I got to it and I beat it to the Bando wing, I was like, nah, motherfucker, that's the Bando right there. I know the wings. T. Brad cooked those. I know. Ooh.
For participating.
I get these wings too, right?
Yeah, y'all can have them. I'm not gonna eat them.
Yeah, I just want these.